Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Ortega. I am a Seaphia team member, and I'm going to present about how we have to navigate regulations in the development of a vacation villas complex in Colombia. Okay, so the goal of the project is to design a holiday and destination new wedding experience never seen before in this country. It will be equipped with a restaurant, a fitness center, and also a wedding chapel. This is a project that will be for either couples and families. Okay, so we are located in the Caribbean coast of Colombia. This is a place with lots of tourism and also beautiful landscapes. Um, our inspiration comes from the local fauna, such as a flower, a crab, and also a seashell. This allow our project to become, to start from a concept and then to also bring native people a sense of ownership and also identity. Okay, so moving on to the navigating regulations, we have like 3 challenges here: location search, natural reserve, and wastewater. So let's talk about each. Okay, so current regulations establish that beaches in Colombia are public goods, so they cannot be like privatized. However, we want to give our guests an experience of luxury and also privacy, but we cannot close the beach to the external visitors. So the way like we approach to this problem is by focusing on locations where the privacy is given by the geography. As you can see, the darker dots are like the ones that we are choosing. Well, as you can see in these images, we're prioritizing the areas that are enclosed and far away from urban centers. Also, these are some areas that are the average tourist will have like trouble reaching there. Okay, so moving on to the next challenge, the natural reserves. Okay, this challenge relates to specific conservation and ecology regulations that apply to national parks. This topic is really important because several of the locations that we are looking at are near national parks. Current regulations establish that tourism service providers are forced to protect the natural reserves. So if they don't, they will incur in sanctions by the government, and they also will like lose or maybe the license that they have will be like revoked. Okay, so this means that we will have like to be responsible as a resort developers and managers for damage to the environment and tourists with the damage the environment that tourists do. One of the solutions is to build and manage our project using organic and reusable materials. We will also place the buildings far away from mangroves and also local flora. We will place them only in areas that have little transit by fish. We do have also a non-plastic on-site policy and a daily trash collection and recycling boat. However, while at Seaphia, we are all about navigating regulations, this is one of the only few topics where our decision is not only to comply, but to exceed what regulations suggest. Okay, so and finally, we have the wastewater. Okay, so this challenge concerns more to the utilities. So it's obvious that we need drinkable water and also a water treatment system that prevents gray water going from the houses to the ocean. So as you saw in the last slide location search, some of the areas we are looking at are near islands and other areas are continental. So the continental areas, as you can, as many people know, there are areas more easy to supply for the, basically for the utilities. So, but if we go to an island, we have to make our uh, own water system, our own network water system. So one thing we are doing to avoid having to create this own network is to prioritize continental areas over islands. However, we are incorporating technologies to reduce the water we need to bring in, such as a rain collection system and also septic tanks. We are doing in a way that enhances the user experience. One example is this rain collection system based on a spiral roof. And well, these are like the examples, as you can see. Basically, we're trying to make sure that similar decisions on possible issues translate into unique architecture proposals. Like we want to have aesthetic and also functional things working, all these two words working together in our projects. Thanks very much for your attention.